570.
And NTDC prop, we've got about 45 seconds left to go.
500.
And we have confirmed this looks like low pressure leakage, so this is an acceptable amount of leakage to launch with.
Okay, I've got 520 right now.
Copy, SD entity. SD copies.
575. 610. 580.
Watching the hydrogen concentrations, which are trending above and below acceptable limits.
NTDC prop, it appears to me that we're on the edge, but that we've got an acceptable limit. I'm looking at 575 here on the console. Hasgas, what are you reading at this point?
575.
NTD, my recommendation that we continue. I copy that. ST entity? ST copies. And your recommendation? We concur to go. I copy that. Launch director entity? Launch director, go ahead. Okay, based upon the trending, it's maintaining around 600. Test team is recommending proceed with countdown. NTD standby sec. Hasgas, what are you reading at this point?
600.
Okay, I copy.
550 at this time.
Recommend continue, sir. Copy that. NTD, you're clear. Copy that. GLS entity, pick up count on your mark. GLS copies. I'll resume on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark. GLS auto, scope auto sprint start. 25.
Solid rocket booster hydraulic power units started. Transfer pressure water system on. All safety systems on. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff of Space Shuttle Columbia. The first of my mission.
The burnout and separation of Columbia's twin solid rocket boosters.
Columbia, Houston, performance nominal.
Roger, performance nominal.
2 minutes, 18 seconds into the flight, the booster officer has confirmed good separation of the solid rocket boosters, and performance on board Columbia has been as expected. All three main engines are continuing to perform at 104% of rated thrust. The three auxiliary power units and fuel cells are also continuing to perform as expected. Columbia now downrange from the Kennedy Space Center at a distance of 55 miles, an altitude of 42 miles, traveling 3,290 miles per hour.
Columbia Houston, 2-engine Ben Greer.
2-engine Ben.
Spacecraft communicator Kurt Brown telling the crew that now in the event of a single engine failure, Columbia could reach the transatlantic landing site at Ben Guerir, Morocco. However, all three main engines continuing to perform as expected. Columbia now downrange 95 miles from the Kennedy Space Center at an altitude of 54 miles. Speed is 4,000 miles per hour.